Hey guys, Round here and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to review Tesla N Rom for Micromax Yureka. First of all, I'd like to thank my subscribers for joining my channel. Now we are at 132 subscribers. So thanks a lot for the love and keep supporting. So this ROM is made by a developer called rithesh saxena. So this is the second time I'm reviewing this ROM. So happy to see another ROM from him. So this ROM is based on Android 7.1.2 Nougat, which is the latest version, and the build date is May 28, which means I am reviewing the first build of this ROM. So keep that in mind. And this is an official ROM, so the cannon which is used in this ROM is reloaded cannon. It is also made by the developer itself. I used nano G apps for this ROM, and the ROM weighs about 408 megabytes, which is about 30 megabytes less than other new ROMs. So the first boot took about just over 6 minutes, and the initial 50 minutes after first boot it was a little bit laggy. And Tesla ROMs are usually feature packed, and there's no change in here. You can find all tweaks and settings from a Nougat custom ROM, and the root is handled by Magisk, so you can also try modules if you want. And just like other Tesla ROMs, Nova Launcher is pre-installed, and it's a free version. And what I liked about Tesla ROMs that we have more control over settings and features. Like in settings, there is a dedicated space for app permissions, which is already present in every single Nougat and Marshmallow ROMs, but it was buried under privacy guard settings. So happy to see a dedicated space for app permissions. And an extra thing you see in this ROM is Tesla's own header for notification panel. They're kind of oldish, but it's there if you want. And other cool thing I find that there's a Aggroed apps monitor switch in the top of the notification panel, which is absent in other Nougat ROMs. And there are few useful apps are pre-installed in this ROM: Addaway, Equalizer, Magisk, and Can Manager. And Volt working fine, and I didn't face any data level issue, and Google Assistant is working without any problems. There is no file manager is pre-installed in this ROM, so in order to access your APKs, you have to go to settings, storage, internal files, and click explore, and you can easily access your internal files. And what I hate about this ROM, the dark mode of this ROM is not good enough. It's not well optimized. The dark theme looks very ugly. It definitely needs some work, so I hope developer will do some work on it. And this is the initial one, so we should give some time to the developer. And in battery life, I have to tell you that I'm not using the original battery, so I can't give you any screen on time screenshots for you, because it's not fair. But I didn't face any heating issue or sudden battery drain. It was pleasant to use this ROM, and I checked the overnight battery drop of this ROM, and it is really good. Only 1% drop in last night. I turned off my 4G data connection and turned on battery saver, and batteries pretty much stays the same. And that's my review of this ROM. If you made it this far, make sure to click the like button. If you got any questions or suggestions, ask them in comment section, and subscribe if you haven't done yet. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.